Hi guys, this is Chica with Borrowed Delights, and on this episode we are making a super easy baked ravioli. So I've started by placing some marinara sauce into the bottom of my baking dish, and I'm using my homemade marinara sauce, which I will link to in the description box below. Next I'm going to add my ravioli over my sauce in a single layer. I'm going to then pour over some more marinara sauce to cover my ravioli layer, and you just want to do your best to make sure that each of your ravioli pieces is coated with the sauce. You don't need to drench it with the sauce, but it should hopefully all be covered. And then you're going to sprinkle over top of that some grated mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. You're going to add another layer of ravioli, and then of course your sauce and cheese. And then you're going to repeat this step one last time. And for my ravioli, I'm using a spinach ravioli. You can go ahead and use your favorite ravioli, again, whether that's a 3-cheese ravioli or a sausage stuffed ravioli, totally up to you. So once you're done assembling this is going to bake in a preheated 375-degree oven until the cheese is fully melted and this is nice and bubbly and the top is golden brown. And you can go ahead and serve this right away. This is such a super delicious and simple recipe, really great for those busy weeknights. And of course, if you do meal prep, you can make this ahead of time and then portion this out into individualized containers to have throughout the week. I hope you guys enjoy making this. Please leave your comments below. Let me know how it turns out for you and what type of ravioli you use to make your baked ravioli. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. And of course, as always, please give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.